Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find saved videos on TikTok. So if you've bookmarked or favorited a video, you can just go on your profile page by selecting the profile button and then selecting a little bookmark icon or the heart icon. However, if you downloaded it, you can go and kind of reverse engineer this a little bit by going to the video or just any video, it doesn't really matter, and then selecting inside the video itself, just hold down inside of it and select where it says save video. Hopefully this will give you some clues as to where you sent it so you can see the options you would have had up there. And if you go under additional options, you may also see more. Go ahead and select that. You can select if maybe you saved it to your device, so you can go ahead and check whatever folder or directory you may have saved it to. So that's just something else I'd recommend taking a look at, again, depending on what your definition of saved videos are. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.